Hi guys, welcome to Beauty Over 40. Today we are collaborating with my beautiful girls of Beauty Over 40. We are creating looks based on a 9 to 5 look. So a daytime look and a nighttime look. If you would like to see how I create my look, transform it from daytime to nighttime, stay tuned.
If you're down, let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds, somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
Alright guys, so I'm going to be doing a voiceover today. I did record this and use a mic, but I'm having mic problems, you guys. The mics are giving me the blues, so if you guys have any good, reasonable recommendations on a microphone, please let me know. But we're going to go ahead and get started. So here I'm just explaining that using my Doublewear foundation, which is absolutely all day wearable. It's definitely a foundation you can wear all day. And here I'm just starting off with primer on my eyes. I'm just going to put a little bit on one eye and then I'm going to transfer it to the other and get that blended in to prep my eyes for my base for my daytime look. Alright, so for my daytime look, I'm just going to do what I usually do for my absolutely favorite look. I'm going into the Translucent palette here. I'm not going to show you guys because this palette has been beat down, you guys. I love a good transition color, which is like my everyday look. So this look was right up my alley. Many of my eyeshadow palettes, transition color, yeah, it's beat down because I use it on the daily. So we're just sweeping that all over our eyelid and then also underneath. I do like to put a little shadow underneath my lash line to kind of camouflage my wrinkles there. Alright, now we're going in with the Il Maquillage mascara. So we're just going to coat our lashes really good here. Alright, and then next we are going to go in with a daytime, just a real nice natural lash, and that lash is going to be wispy lashes. These are the perfect lash to just give you just a real natural look. It actually looks like your natural eyelashes because it's just that natural. So we're going to wear that for our daytime look. And we are going to use my favorite lash glue, which is the Star Lash Glue. Absolutely love this glue. It leaves no residue, and when you want to clean your lash, that bead of glue just peels right off. Your lash is clean and you're ready for your next use. Alright, next after lashes, we are going in with a lip, and it's just a nice simple lip. This is Makeup Revolution. This is a lip pout. The color is Sweetie Coral. It's between a matte and a gloss. Really comfortable. And guys, that is my everyday look. This is my daytime look. I actually wear this look every day at work. And we're going to quickly transition and prepare for our nighttime look. So I'm going to tuck this hair back in and we're going to go on to our nighttime look. All right, and we are now going to transition for our nighttime look. I'm going to tuck this hair away. You guys, I cannot have my hair up when I do makeup. It's just in the way, and it's just more comfortable to me to put it away. We're going to peel off these lashes, and we are going to go ahead and do our nighttime look. So the nighttime look is pretty simple as well. We are just going to do as a base here a wing liner, and we're going to smudge that out. And once we get that smudged out, we're going to put a black eyeliner on I'm sorry, not a black eyeliner, a black eyeshadow on top of that, and just smoke it out really, really good. I'm going to just be quiet here so you guys can watch the rest of this. Alright, and next we're going to add a little bit of blush, some highlighter to finish up our nighttime look. I did just pair my nighttime look with a nudie pinky lipstick just to balance out the eyes and the lip. And that is it, guys. Make sure you check out all the girls' videos. I will have all their channel links below underneath this video. And if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRH Makeup. Also, my second handle on TikTok, which is _BeautyOver40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, turning on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. Alright guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye!